Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with USAA. If you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below to instantly get $5 once you do sign up, deposited into your Cashapp account. So once you do sign up though, you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Go ahead and click on the upper right hand profile icon. Afterwards, scroll down to where it says linked banks. Now, if you don't see the word linked banks, it's going to say linked cards. What I found is that you do need to link your card in order to actually link your bank account. So go ahead and click on linked banks or linked cards for now. And as you can see, I have already linked my debit card, which was allowed me to actually see this link bank option. So click on link bank after that. Go ahead and click on continue on this page here. And then scroll down until you see USAA. So USAA is on the left hand side, so go ahead and click on that. And then afterwards, you're going to be prompted to log into USAA. Make sure you check all the boxes that you want connected to your Cashapp account, whether it's your checkings or savings account, your bank account numbers and details, or account information. Just make sure you check the boxes. The prompts here on after are pretty straightforward, but that is how you link Cashapp with USAA. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.